Hey gorgeous! Welcome back to my channel and mabuhay. This is me again, Jing Store, and you are watching. So ayan po, year 2019 is about to end and we are to welcome year 2020. I know you've been a lot of things in 2019, bad experiences, good experiences, but what really important is you enjoyed and you are still living and you have to think about that. And of course, since 2019, kailangan na natin magbago, and then New Year's resolution, hindi yan mawawala. And then some of the New Year's resolution ay hindi talaga na nagaganap, hindi what you call this? Kasi tawagan na day? Hindi natutupad kasi nga pang New Year's resolution lang siya. So ayan, whatever New Year's resolution, I hope you can achieve that one, hopefully. And I'm wishing all good things in 2020. And I hope 2020 sana maging mabait ka sa amin, especially sa akin. And good luck to your year ahead. So without so much ado, for today's video, we are going to have a New Year's Eve look makeup tutorial. Yes, of course, because we need to get something glam because 2020 na dapat salubungin natin ng napakaganda at napakahusay ang 2020 so that para maging maganda yung entrada ng ating 2020. Kung hindi ka maganda, don't think about it. You know what? Just think in a positive way that God given you that kind of look. You are unique, you are beautiful, whatever they say, because beauty doesn't actually depend on the outer appearance. It's based on the holistic approach of a person. When we talk about holistic approach, yung pagiging ikaw, personally, yung attitude, and plus point pa lang yan yung nasa labas mo. And do not like become insecure with other people na mas maganda sila, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Don't think about them. Don't mind them because you are living your own life. Yes, that's it. What really important is that you were able to express yourself as a human being. Marami na akong sat-sat. Without so much ado, let's go on to our makeup tutorial for this New Year's Eve look. So, unahin na natin yung paggamit ng aloe vera hydrogel. Yes. So, yung gamit ng hydrogel na ito is to moisten up, moisture up your skin. So, kinakailangan natin na maging hydrated yung ating mukha before natin ilagay yung mga makeup sa ating mukha. That's it. You know what? I'm loving this aloe vera, yung hydrogel, kasi talagang nire-replenish, ay hindi rin nire-replenish. Parang fresh look ko pag gumagamit ako nito, no? Talagang mabuti siya sa skin. Friendly siya sa skin natin. And it's making my skin healthy. The first time na ginamit ko to, talagang napawawa ko kasi yung talagang ability niya. So ayan, using this gel eyeliner from Dermacol, gagamitin niya natin in the shade of black. Ayan. So I really love like using black kasi mas bagay siya sa skin ko kasi black yung hair ko. So para maging natural looking lang, dapat black din yung gagamitin. And then napapansin ko talagang may iba talaga yung look mo pag on fleek yung yung kilay. So we need to like shape it that out bit. Betty Lapea. Well, anyway, we are going to clean this eyebrows using this Puffle HD in the shade of FF04. So ayan, we are done cleaning up our eyebrows and then sinama ko na rin yung mukha natin. And then we are using this gel eyeliner from Dermacol. Yan, we are just going to draw a wing liner. Then we are going to start it with our under eye going up. So ayan. So since it's already 2020, no, dapat maging totoo na ka sa sarili mo. Don't really hide yourself. Don't be afraid to show you who you are. Yan. Mas mabuti na talaga yung pinapakita mo kung sino ka. Kaysa naman, you are living with the expectation of other people. Kasi natatakot ka kung ano sabihin nila, ganun. Don't be afraid. Be proud of yourself. Because you are owning your life. Like, you know what? It's nothing wrong of being true to yourself, di ba? For as long as hindi ka naman nakakasakit ng ibang tao. So, using this Huda Beauty palette, so we are going to use this secret shade. So, we are going use it as our transition. This time, we are going to use this Love Bite shade, and then we are going to blend it out here in our outer V, going to the center eyelid. This time we are going to use this kinky eyeshadow. It's like a glitter one. So we are just going to put that one into our center eyelid para mas maging glittery effect yung ano natin. And then we are also using this Fantasy para sa ating inner corner. Parang pareho lang sila. So ayan, yan po yung ating eyeshadow. So, we are going off-cam for the other side. So, ngayon, we are going to apply now the foundation, Infallible L'Oreal Paris 24 Fresh Wear in the shade of what's this? In the shade of 140 Golden Beige. So this time we are we'll be using the Says Lady eyelash mascara. Like hello mascara. So we are down for our final look and I will be right back.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey gorgeous, so this is our final look. So I hope you like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in every time I post my new video. See ya in the next video, gorgeous.